Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a macaroni recipe called Creamy and Cheesy Macaroni. So for this delicious macaroni recipe, we'll heat some butter in a broad non-stick pan. To this we'll add some finely chopped onions. And we'll saute this on a medium flame for 2 minutes. So onions have been sauteed well. To this we'll add some capsicum. And we'll saute this on a medium flame for 2 minutes. To this we'll add some chopped and blanched carrot, some boiled green peas. We'll mix this well and cook on a medium flame for 1 minute. So this macaroni is perfect for kids because there are a lot of vegetables in it. To this we'll add some blanched and chopped tomatoes, tomato ketchup, kids' favorite, chili flakes and salt. We'll mix this well and we'll cook on a medium flame for 2 minutes while stirring it occasionally. To this we'll add some boiled macaroni, fresh cream, and of course kids' favorite, cheese. We'll mix this gently and we'll cook it on a medium flame for 2 minutes. Yes, so it has been mixed well, as you can see. Let's quickly serve this delicious creamy cheesy macaroni.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.